FAQ with BCP. In this video, we are going to go over some frequently asked questions about our metal garden beds. Question 1. Is the planter weather resistant? Yes. In fact, metal planters do not rot over time. To elaborate, the four corners are powder coated to provide a protective barrier, and the steel panels are oil painted to protect the metal from excess moisture. These measures prevent corrosion. Question 2. Will the metal overheat the plants? No. The temperature of the soil may rise slightly on a hot day, but not enough to harm your plants. Question 3. Does the planter need a bottom or bed liner? A bottom may be required to protect the surface below the bed, or if you have a pest issue. Question 4. What types of plants work best with this planter? This planter is perfect for vegetables, fruits, flowers, or herb gardens, ideal for medium to deep rooting plants and vegetables. We hope you found this video helpful. Explore today and start building memorable moments at bestchoiceproducts.com.